Get ready to embark on a vibrant journey through the heart of the Big Easy with our 5-day itinerary in New Orleans. From the enchanting bayous to the historic French Quarter, we've curated an immersive experience that blends natural wonders with the soulful rhythms of the city. Join us as we explore iconic landmarks, savor mouth-watering cuisine, and unwind along the Mississippi River. This is your insider's guide to the best of New Orleans, where every day unfolds a new chapter in the rich tapestry of this captivating city. Day 1, French Quarter Exploration, Morning. Begin your day immersed in the delectable flavors of New Orleans at the iconic Café du Monde. Indulge in a classic breakfast featuring their renowned beignets, fluffy powdered sugar-coated pastries, paired with a steaming cup of their signature coffee. The historic French Quarter awaits your exploration as you transition to the late morning. Wander through the picturesque Jackson Square, where the towering St. Louis Cathedral and other architectural gems surround you, offering a glimpse into the city's rich history and culture. Afternoon. As the day progresses into the afternoon, venture into the lively ambiance of the French market. This bustling marketplace invites you to discover a diverse array of local crafts, unique souvenirs, and of course, more opportunities to savor the city's distinct culinary delights. Treat yourself to regional specialties and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of this cultural hub. Evening. As the sun sets, the evening unfolds with an adventure along the famed Bourbon Street. Renowned for its vibrant nightlife, Bourbon Street comes alive with an eclectic mix of bars, jazz clubs, and an infectious energy that epitomizes the spirit of New Orleans. Enjoy live music pouring out onto the streets, sample signature cocktails, and revel in the lively atmosphere that makes Bourbon Street a quintessential New Orleans experience. For a delightful dinner experience near Bourbon Street, consider making your way to Mr. B's Bistro. This renowned establishment offers a fantastic blend of Creole and Cajun flavors, providing a perfect culinary capstone to your first day in the Crescent City. Day 2, Garden District and Uptown Charm. Embark on a day of elegance and charm as you venture into the captivating Garden District. The morning unfolds amidst the grandeur of antebellum mansions, each telling a story of New Orleans' rich history. A leisurely stroll along the iconic Magazine Street awaits, offering delightful opportunities for boutique shopping and discovering unique treasures. For a delightful lunch, immerse yourself in the local flavors at the upscale Commander's Palace. Nestled in the heart of the Garden District, this Michelin-starred culinary gem is a haven for Creole cuisine, showcasing a menu that reflects the city's culinary traditions. Indulge in their renowned turtle soup or savor the flavors of their Gulf fish dishes, all while surrounded by the restaurant's historic charm. As the afternoon unfolds, escape to the scenic tranquility of Audubon Park. Find a peaceful spot to relax, surrounded by lush greenery and majestic oak trees. Whether you choose to explore the park's walking trails or simply unwind by the iconic lagoon, Audubon Park provides a serene interlude in the heart of Uptown. As evening descends, delve into the diverse culinary scene of Uptown. Consider embarking on a nostalgic streetcar ride along the picturesque St. Charles Avenue, immersing yourself in the timeless charm of this iconic transportation. For dinner, savor the eclectic offerings at La Petite Grocery. This uptown gem seamlessly blends made-from-scratch contemporary cuisine in a quaint cottage that housed a grocery store in the 1800s, creating a dining experience that captures the essence of New Orleans' culinary renaissance. Day 3, Historical and Cultural Immersion. Embark on a day of historical exploration and cultural enrichment in the heart of New Orleans. Morning. Dive into the impactful history of World War II at the National World War II Museum. Begin your day with a visit to this immersive museum, offering a profound insight into the global conflict. Witness the exhibits, personal narratives, and artifacts that pay homage to the heroes and events that shaped history. For a delightful brunch, head to Willa Jean in the Central Business District. This chic eatery seamlessly blends Southern hospitality with modern culinary flair, presenting a menu featuring delectable options like their famous brunch burger or shrimp and grits. Afternoon. Continue your cultural journey in the Arts District. Explore the Ogden Museum of Southern Art, an architectural gem housing a diverse collection of contemporary Southern artwork. Take a leisurely walk around the picturesque Lafayette Square, surrounded by historic landmarks that narrate tales of the city's vibrant past. For a rejuvenating afternoon pick-me-up, indulge in the sweet treats at Sucre. This French Quarter patisserie offers an array of artisanal chocolates, macarons, and desserts that will satisfy any sweet tooth. Evening. As the sun sets, immerse yourself in the refined dining scene of the Warehouse District. Make your way to Cochon, a culinary haven renowned for its contemporary Cajun and Southern-inspired dishes. Feast on dishes like the wood-fired oysters or the signature cochon with cabbage, embodying the essence of Louisiana's culinary heritage. Conclude your evening with a stroll through the district, where historic warehouses now house upscale dining options and vibrant nightlife, creating a perfect end to a day rich in history and culture. Day 4. Rhythms and Revelry. Prepare for a day immersed in the enchanting melodies and vibrant entertainment that define New Orleans. Morning. Begin your day at the New Orleans Jazz Museum to unravel the captivating history of jazz, a genre deeply intertwined with the city's soul. Explore exhibits showcasing jazz legends and the evolution of this musical genre in the heart of the French Quarter. For an enriching brunch experience, savor the historical flavors of Creole-inspired dishes at Tujugways, a cherished spot in the heart of the French Quarter with a storied history dating back to 1856. Indulge in classics like shrimp and grits or relish the mouth-watering perfection of eggs Benedict, immersing yourself in the culinary legacy of New Orleans. Afternoon. Dive deeper into the city's musical roots with a visit to Louis Armstrong Park. Stroll through this picturesque park named after the jazz icon and discover the Jazz Walk of Fame, paying homage to legendary musicians. Take a break at the historic Tram Coffee House, known for its jazz-themed ambiance and delightful coffee. For a late lunch or early dinner, venture to Coop's Place in the French Quarter. Renowned for its laid-back atmosphere and delectable Cajun cuisine, this local favorite offers dishes like rabbit and sausage jambalaya or crispy fried chicken. Evening. As the sun sets, experience the vibrant entertainment scene on Frenchmen Street. Explore intimate jazz clubs, lively bars, and eclectic street performances. Consider venues like the Spotted Cat Music Club or DBA for an authentic New Orleans musical experience. Let the rhythm guide your evening and soak in the lively atmosphere that makes Frenchmen Street a must-visit for music lovers. Conclude your night with the eclectic sounds that echo through the soul of this musical city. Day 5. Swamp Tour and Culinary Delights. Morning. Immerse yourself in the enchanting bayous and marshes of Louisiana with a captivating swamp tour. Explore the wild landscapes home to alligators, turtles, and an array of bird species. Companies like Cajun Encounters offer informative and exciting tours that provide insights into the region's unique ecosystem. Don't forget your camera to capture the mesmerizing scenery and wildlife encounters. For a quick bite before the adventure, stop by Elizabeth's, a charming neighborhood spot in Bywater, known for its creative twists on traditional Southern breakfast dishes. Try their praline bacon or sweet potato pancakes to fuel your morning. Afternoon. Return to the city for a gastronomic journey through the flavors of Cajun and Creole cuisine. Head to the historic French Market and indulge in a late lunch at Cochon, a renowned restaurant celebrated for its modern approach to Cajun and Southern cuisine. Try the wood-fired oysters or the famous Louisiana cochon with turnips. Evening. Conclude your New Orleans adventure with a picturesque riverfront experience. Opt for a dinner cruise aboard the steamboat Natchez for a leisurely sail along the Mississippi River. Revel in the city's skyline as the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the water. As your day concludes, reflect on the rich experiences, diverse flavors, and soulful melodies that define the vibrant tapestry of New Orleans. As our journey through the soulful streets of New Orleans comes to a close, we hope you've relished the unique blend of natural wonders, rich history, and mouthwatering cuisine that this vibrant city has to offer. If you enjoyed this itinerary, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Drop a comment below with your thoughts and recommendations. Until next time, laissez les bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next exploration. Safe travels.